Hey everyone, welcome back. In this quick guide, I'm going to show you how to create Instagram posts using Canva, the full 2026 update. It's super easy, and yeah, by the end of this, you'll be able to design clean, scroll-stopping posts in just a few minutes. So first, just log into your Canva account. If you don't have one, you can make it for free. Takes like less than a minute. All right, once you're in, head to the top search bar and type in Instagram post. Canva has a ton of pre-sized templates, so you don't have to worry about dimensions or anything like that. Now just scroll through and pick a style you like. You can go simple, bold, aesthetic, whatever matches your vibe. I mean, you can also start from a blank canvas if you want full control. Here's where the fun part starts. Change the text, add your own photos, swap colors. You can drag elements around, delete stuff, or drop in new shapes and icons. If you're going for a brand look, try sticking to the same colors and fonts so everything feels consistent. You can also add effects like drop shadows, adjust brightness, or use Canva's built-in filters. If you're posting quotes or promos, try keeping the layout clean with plenty of space so it reads well on a small screen. When everything looks good, click the download button in the top right. Choose PNG for the best quality, and yeah, your design is ready to post on Instagram. And that's basically it. Creating Instagram posts in Canva is super fast once you get the hang of it. So try a few designs, mix it up, have fun with it. If this helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next tutorial.